Escape the Metaverse and explore the universe with Adventures Out West. We are the only company that owns and operates all of the services that we provide to our visitors. With our reputation as the top recreation provider in Colorado, we guarantee that your time with us will be a real experience. A friendly and welcoming staff of tourism professionals will look after you and guarantee that your time out of the Metaverse will be unforgettable. Are you an adrenaline junkie? Our Pikes Peak Ziplines will take you to new heights as you run, jump, or crawl your way over the cliffs on our freestyle course. With Segways, you can take in stunning landscapes of Garden of the Gods Park. Feel the wind in your hair and have the pleasure that defies the laws of physics. Or ride along in a more relaxing adventure in a custom-built Jeep with an authentic Colorado guide. Our adventure mobiles are really escape capsules and will get you to the top, through the forest and into adventure. Also available is the opportunity to discover Colorado from a hot air balloon, the original Metaverse experience. It is an exciting adventure among breathtaking scenery and a bucket list item for everyone, and we've been doing it longer than anyone in the universe. Are you a bike enthusiast? From an elevation of 14,115 feet, would you dare descend America's mountain? You can with AOW, but watch out for Bigfoot, he owns the highway. It is time to escape the Metaverse, and we have the most convenient platform to do it. For the past 49 years, we've been honing our skills and improving Colorado adventure. So leave your VR goggles at home and come adventure out west. AOW can accommodate individuals, families, small groups, and groups up to 200 guests at a time. Call 719-578-0935 to speak with an actual human being, or book online at adventuresoutwest.com. Because we're here to tell you, it's time to escape the Metaverse and explore the universe.